A very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. As you all know, I am your English teacher, Priyanka, and today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 17, Adverbs. So all of you quickly take out chapter number 17, Adverbs. Students, let me first tell you that what is the definition of adverbs. Adverbs are the words that modify or add to the meaning of verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. It means when we talk about adverbs, these are the modifying words or they add some meaning. They add to the meaning of verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Example is here, Nitya dances gracefully. So how she dances? She dances gracefully. So gracefully is an adverb here. The story is very interesting. How is the story? It is interesting. Yes, that is the adjective. But what is the word or which word is modifying interesting? Yes, very is the word that is modifying the adjective interesting. Similarly, we have one more example. He reached home quite late. So quite here is an adverb. So students, basically adverbs are the words that modify or add to the meaning of verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. If we talk about adverbs, I just now told you that adverbs are the words that modify or add to the meaning of verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Here there are types of adverbs. If you all can see here, there are types of adverbs. Number one is adverb of time. Second, adverb of place. Third, adverbs of manner. Fourth, adverbs of degree. And fifth here is adverbs of frequency. So today we are going to learn about the 5 types of adverbs. Let us start with the first type, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us something about the time an action happens. They can answer the question when. Okay, all of you underline that they can answer the question when. Alright, so are you going to Singapore tomorrow? So when? Tomorrow. Alright. Leave this place now. When? Now. Come back later. When? Later. So tomorrow, now, and later. All these are adverbs of time. These are adverbs of time. They can answer the question when. Understood? Now let us move towards the next type of adverb, that is adverb of place. Alright, so let us learn what adverbs of place tell us. Adverbs of place tell us about the place where something happens. They answer the question where. Okay, so underline this sentence. This is very important, that adverbs of place answer the question where. Sumit walked away. Okay, where he walked? He walked away. When will you go back to Berlin? Back. I want to sit somewhere. Somewhere. All these are the adverbs of place which answer the question where. Alright, if I give you one more example, Ram is sitting upstairs. Where he is? Upstairs. Rita is going downstairs. Where she is going? She is going downstairs. So all the sentences that answer the question of where, these will come under the heading of adverbs of place. Yes. Now let us move to the easiest one. It is adverbs of manner. What it is? It is adverbs of manner, and this is the third type of adverb. Adverbs of manner tell us about the way something happens. They answer the question of how. It means we have to tell here that how something is taking place. Most adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to the adjectives. If we say, walk quickly, she got up lazily from the bed. We must treat animals gently, run fast. So here, in the third type of adverb, adverbs of manner, we get the answer of how. Walk quickly. How we have to walk? We have to walk quickly. She got up lazily. How she got up? She got up lazily. Alright. Gently. Fast. All these are adverbs of manner. I can give you many more examples. If I say, Radha sings beautifully. So how she sings? She sings beautifully. Ram speaks slowly. How he speaks? He speaks slowly. All these sentences which answer the question of how, these will come under the heading of adverbs of manner. Alright? Now if we talk about the next and the fourth type of adverb, that is adverbs of degree. Okay? Adverbs of degree tell us the degree or extent to which something happens. They can answer the question of how much. Alright? So here in adverb of degree, they will answer the question of how much. Alright? If I say, Sushma completely cleaned my cupboard. So it is telling that how much she completed, how much she cleaned. She cleaned it completely. Alright? They hardly knew about the competition. Hardly here is the adverb of degree. He is quite unhappy about the money he got. Quite. So basically, adverb of degree tell us about the extent, or they answer the question of how much. Alright? They answer the question of how much. If I say, I cleaned my room partially. So how much? I cleaned it partially. It means अभी मैंने उसे पूरा नहीं किया है. I have not cleaned it fully. I have cleaned it partially. Alright? And now we have the last type of adverbs, that are adverbs of frequency. This is the fifth type of adverb. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. I often think of visiting Kerala. The king sometimes travelled in disguise. Arif rarely got a chance to meet his uncle. All these are often, sometimes, rarely. All these are adverbs of frequency. They tell us that how frequently a particular action is taking place. Alright, how frequently one thing is happening. Is it happening often, daily, or is it happening sometimes? It is happening rarely, it is happening hardly. All these tell us about the adverbs of frequency, that how frequently a particular action is taking place. Okay, whether it is taking twice in a day, daily, rarely, hardly, often, sometimes, all these will come under the heading of adverbs of frequency. So just now we discussed in brief about the adverbs. We learnt about the 5 types of adverbs. These are adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, and adverbs of frequency. Alright, so these are the 5 types of adverbs that we have discussed now. Now you all will go through the concept, you will read them, and if you feel that there is any doubt in the concept of adverbs, you can ask me. Alright, I don't think there will be any kind of doubt in this, but if there will be, you can ask me in your online classes. Till the time you all will revise this chapter, you all will read all the definitions of different type of adverbs. You will learn with the help of examples, and if you will face any kind of difficulty, this is your book. You are going to read each and everything till here, adverbs of frequency. Alright, and you will also start revising and learning for your half yearly exams. I hope you all will read and you all will learn very properly. Thank you so much, class.